Very good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the topic the development, and I think in last lecture we have covered the three four important topics. Now today I will cover the remaining topics. And today's first topic is national development. Student, very simple. National development means the development of the country. But how you will assess that a country is a developed country or developing country? So remember, income in this category we would like to include the few important factors. The first factor is a income, because very simple, you are developed, I am not developed, others are developed, they are not developed. So how you will assess the income? Because on behalf of the income, a person, a community, a society show his and her level, which level they are living, which facility they are able to enjoy. So when we discuss about nation development, we would like to include the income. Remember, income is a very simple and common thing. But apart from the income, the other factors also we would like to include, like the education. The education level of a country define and categorize that the country level is a good, the country is a developed country. Then the health facilities. Remember, a health facility is also one of the important factors. Other factors like transportation, the public facilities, the road, the infrastructure, the nutrition conditions of child or women, the strength of the women, the liberty of the women, the democratic system of the country, and so many other factors. So in this topic we will discuss a country is a developed country on behalf of all these factors. So a country is called nation, the developed country on behalf of all these factors. Now the next topic is we like to how to compare different countries or states. Very simple. Sometimes you told that the USA, the France, the China, the Russia, the Germany, Japan are developed country. Yes, I am agree. But tell me, you are going to categorize that country in a developed country. But what are the measures you apply? What are the criteria? The criteria is the income. Remember, we always like to include the income. But apart from the income, the other factors we like to also include. Like I told you earlier, the education level, the infrastructure, the industry level, the economic growth, the level of the society, the road, the transportation. These are the important factors. The condition of women, the nutrition, the public health facilities. These are the important criteria to develop a country is developed or not developed. So country is developed on behalf of all these things. And remember, including all this, we will like to include the one important factor, one important term I will like to discuss, the average income and per capita income. Remember, average income of a country or per capita of the income of the country, both are a similar thing. I am putting one example. For example, in your class, 50 students are there. Okay. And total income of your class is 40,000 rupees. Okay. Can you tell me what is the average income of the students? Average income of the class, or we can say the per capita income of the class. Okay, come to the point. The 40,000 rupees are divided by the 50 students, and the outcome is coming, the result is coming 800. It means your class average income is 800 rupees. Same thing we apply. The income of a country divided by the population are called average income. Okay, got it? Remember again, I am repeating, the income of a country divided by the population are called average income and per capita income. Remember, students, this question mostly asked in your board examination, and the weightage of 1 marks or 2 marks. Got it? Now the next topic, and remember, each and every country have a average income, different conditions. India's average condition is not similar as the developed countries. So now you got it, why the India is not developed country and the USA, the France, the Germany, the Japan, and the Italy are called the developed country. Because very simple. First of all, you are looking, sir, what is the average income of that country? You are looking at the Indian average income is 50,000 rupees and the USA average income is 5 lakh rupees per month. So you can easily assess, sir, USA is a developed country because the per capita income and the average income compared to US, the 10 times more. You got it? Average income. Now the next topic, income and other criteria. children listen, all these topics are similar. So income and other criteria, in this topic we like to include the condition, the development condition of India and the outside from the India. For example, India, the few states, I would like to take the name of the states: Maharashtra, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. These states, Punjab, Haryana, these states average income is more than the other states. So we like income, not only income, the other criteria, the other facilities of these states are better than the other states. I am putting example of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a very good state, but in some points, the Rajasthan is not developed as like Andhra, as like Maharashtra, like per capita income, the infrastructure, the education level, the health facilities, because these are the biggest states and they have more resources compared to the Rajasthan. So the Rajasthan is not developed country on behalf of, not developed state on behalf of all these. Because when you include all these factors, these states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, I put a name, these states are more developed than the Rajasthan. But it not mean that Rajasthan is a poor state. No, Rajasthan is also rich state, but in few factors, the other states are more developed than the Rajasthan. The public facilities. Very simple. Public facilities mean the facility that can be enjoyed by each and everyone or availed by everyone. Public facility mainly related to health, education, transportation, road, infrastructure, nutrition, all these things. Comparatively, the Rajasthan, or we are putting the example of India, so I will take the name of Rajasthan and other states have different conditions. So many factors are there. So many factors are there. We will not discuss these factors in this topic. But remember, if a state is providing the public facilities in a good condition to that particular state, that state is called developed state. So remember, the public facilities